rotation out of tech that began last week, flaring again. The Nasdaq dropping more than 2.5% yesterday. Joining us right now, Gene Munster, Deepwater Asset Management Managing Partner. Just a correction, something worse, something more? How do you think about it?
Andrew, I still think we're in the third inning of this AI boom, and just look for the recent piece of evidence, TSMC results this morning, revenue up 40% year over year, compared to up 17% in the March quarter, flat in the December 23 quarter. So the fundamentals look really good. I want to just quickly talk about this pullback. From its peak on July 10th, NASDAQ is down just about 4%. If we look back at the dot-com boom from, let's call it 94 through 99, that's 6 years, there were 11 times when the market traded down more than 10%, average of 14%, one time down 28% in 1998. It is normal when the market is so strong for investors to get near-term nervous about some events, yesterday being commentary from Trump and Biden around regulation and treatment of Taiwan. But at the end of the day, the fundamentals are going to power AI. They're much more powerful than politics, and I'm still very bullish that we're in a 3 to 5 year bull market.
And is that still a chip story to you, or do you think there's a software side to it too?
Software side is predominantly going to play out, I think, in the private companies. The companies obviously like OpenAI, xAI. We're investors in a company called Invisible, which does model training. These companies are growing hundreds of % per year. The AI theme will eventually pull up software, but I think the darlings of AI software are in the private space. Good news for public investors, they will likely IPO in the next 2 to 3 years. So I think they'll get a shot at that apple.
IPO not bought, by the way, because the other big question, of course, is whether if Trump wins, you think the regulatory environment allows for some very, very big deals.
I was just tuned into your earlier segment. Yes, I think that it's getting to be progressively difficult for these big tech companies to buy. That's why Google is one of our holdings in our Titan portfolio, best positioned relative to AI.